This steering wheel promises a serious upgrade for your Toyota, but does it deliver on that premium feel? We're looking at the OHC Motors Real Carbon Fiber Steering Wheel, specifically designed for models like the Toyota Prado LC150, Tundra, Tacoma, and 4Runner. Right out of the box, the carbon fiber construction feels incredibly solid and looks absolutely stunning. It's not just about looks though. The material is built to withstand high temperatures and wear, meaning it should hold up beautifully over time. The craftsmanship here is really where it shines. The Nappa perforated leather on the sides feels fantastic in your hands, offering a secure grip that's crucial for confident driving. Plus, those perforations are a smart touch for breathability, especially on longer drives or in warmer weather. No more sweaty palms. The D-shaped flat bottom is another thoughtful design element. It's not just for show. It genuinely creates more legroom, making getting in and out of the vehicle and just generally maneuvering a lot more comfortable. And that red positioning line. It's a subtle but important detail for keeping your steering centered, adding a layer of safety that's often overlooked. Now, it's important to note that this package includes just the steering wheel itself. You'll need to transfer your existing buttons and any other trim pieces. The recommendation for professional installation is a good one, as it ensures everything is fitted correctly and safely. Overall, this OHC Motors steering wheel seems like a fantastic way to elevate the interior of your compatible Toyota. It blends aggressive styling with practical, performance-oriented features, offering a truly premium driving experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.